Hello, children. It's Mrs. Falkenstein. Today's story is Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. This is a very fun book. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. There's the button. Don't push it. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Oh, now I'm yellow. Oh, quick, push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ack! Now there are two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book. Shake the book to get rid of all the Larrys. Shake it. Shake the book. Help me shake. Shake. Oh, almost. A little more. Just a little. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get back to normal. Scratch my tummy. That tickles. Okay, much better now. Let's not push the button again. Oh, but that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I hope you all enjoyed that story. Go ahead. Push the button as many times as you want.